I take care of my teeth, I brush, floss every day, I never had any cavities or major problems. But I was always a little self-conscious about the color of my teeth. You can tell in photos I wasn't super confident about my teeth. They didn't look as white as everyone else's. I tried toothpaste, charcoal, and all the big box stuff, but nothing really worked. That's until I found the Primal Life Real Teeth Whitener. It's from Primal Life Organics, and this definitely improved my smile and gave me more confidence with whiter teeth. There are 3 different modes, and it's so easy to use. Blue to whiten, red to improve gums, and dual to do both. The whitening gel is peroxide-free and 100% natural. Plus, the gel improves teeth strength and quality. This is their newest version with removable mouthguard and easy on-off button, which gives you faster and longer natural whitening. If you're looking for the best teeth whitening kit, then check out the Real White Teeth Whitening System from Primal Life Organics. Your smile will thank you.